Good evening all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patel. Today's date is 19 March 2022 and today's VIA topic name is linked list in Java. So firstly we discuss about what is linked list. In Java programming language, linked list is a very important part. The linked list is a sequence of data structure in our programming which are connected together each links. The linked list is a sequence of links which is contains items. Each linked list contains connection to another link. Linked list is the second most used data structure after array. In array study. The using linked list it is useful in programming language because it is allocations the dynamically in our programming. The linked list together with the help of pointers. Following are the various types of linked list. First one is a simple linked list. Second one is a item navigation is forward only. Second one is a doubly linked list. The doubly linked list it can be navigated forward linked list. Then basic operations of a linked list. The following are the basic operations are included in a linked list. First one is a iteration. The iterations adds an element at the beginning of our linked list. Then detection deletes an element in the beginning of the list. Then display the compiled list. Then search an element using the given key. Then delete an element using the given key. The linked list is used in a Java programming. We just need to a few link adjustment to make the new node in our programming. It creates linked list node. The new node can be inherited as the only node in the list, or it can be inherited as the list one. The different logics are implemented in each linked list. Then the linked list we need to skip the described number of nodes in order to reach the node, after which the new node will be inserted. Then this is the simplest operation among all. It just need a few adjustment in the node pointers. Detection at the end of the list involves deleting the first node. Can either be empty of a full different logic is implemented in our programming. The linked list involves detecting the node after the specified node in the list. We need to skip the desired number of the nodes to reach the node after which the node will be detected. This requires traveling through. We simplify the visit each node of the list in our programming. For example, printing data part of each node present in the list searching manner. We merge each element of the list with the element is found. Often the location of that element is returned, otherwise null is returned in our programming. Then linked list class declaration. The linked list class declaration is various types of are included. The some methods are used in linked list. First one is a Boolean linked list. Some methods are used in linked list: Boolean method, void add method, add at method, set method, get method, clear method, clone method. That's some methods are used in a linked list. That's all about today's topic, linked list. I hope you understand. Thank you.